guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore a platform that aims to connect the world of digital money with everyday banking services. If you enjoy clear explanation and simple walkthroughs of modern financial tools, you are in the right place. Before we move into the full details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss future updates and new content. To know, just a quick note before we begin, this video is intended for educational and informational purpose only. It is always wise to do your own research and understand the terms before you start using any financial platform or services. Let's open with a very basic but important observations. Because these days, adding cryptocurrency is not the main struggle for most people. The real challenge shows up later. It appears when you actually try to use that digital money in the real one. How do you take it out? How do you send it to family or business partners in another country? How do you spend it at a local store like you would with cash from your wallet? That space between having crypto and using crypto is exactly the kind of problem that platforms like PinkWallet are trying to solve. They want to make the connection smoother and more natural. PinkWallet is not just another app for holding coins. It's designed as a full financial hub where crypto, regular banking, and access to the stock markets all live together in organized place. And here you can see that trust of the huge factor when you are moving money across borders. You want to know that the services operates under proper rules, and you can see that PinkWallet hold a license including US MSB, Canada MSB, and many more. You can also check out that the platform comes packed with a set of practical tools that are meant for everyday use, not just as advanced traders. So you can check out each and every detail. Now I will explain how can you get started with this platform. The process is very straightforward and user-friendly, and I will break down it in a few clear steps so you as always know that what is coming next. So the first one is you will have to download the application. You can see that application is available on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, and after it you will have to register your account. You can use my referral or invitation link given in the description of that video, and after it you will have to complete the secondary identity verification known as the KYC, and after it you will have to choose whether you need a personal or a business account. You will have to pay the required one-time account opening fee, and then you can activate your profile and begin exploring the available features. Now I will explain all these features one by one. So here you can see the first feature is PinkWallet Swap. The swap feature is a simple but powerful tool located right inside the main interface. It allows you to quickly exchange one supported asset for another without needing to move your funds out to a third-party exchange. This keeps your transactions fast and reduces extra steps that often cause confusion or delays. It is all about keeping the process smooth and contained. And the next amazing feature is about crypto. Managing our diverse portfolio of digital coins becomes much easier when everything is in one place. The crypto dashboard lets you hold and monitor multiple different assets under a single roof. For those who are new to the space or simply prefer traditional payments method, the platform support direct crypto purchases using standard debit and credit card. This means you can acquire digital assets without fast navigating a complex and sometimes intimidated exchange environment. So the PinkWallet extends its reach beyond just crypto by offering access to the traditional stock markets. Users can connect to major exchanges located in the United States and the Hong Kong, among others. This creates a very interesting hybrid environment. You can invest in well-known public companies while also holding digital assets, all managed from the same account. This kind of diversification can help you spread risk and take advantage of opportunities in different sectors. And the most important feature of the platform is PinkWallet International Banking. One of the most valuable features for the people who work or live internationally is the ability to open a real bank account in your own legal name. The service provides option to open accounts in United States, UK, and European Union jurisdiction. These accounts handle major global currencies such as US dollar, pound, and euro. The transfer system uses well-established network like SWIFT, and it ensures that money moves reliably and quickly, whether you are making domestic payment or you are wiring funds across continents. So viewers, the entire application process is handled online, and approval can be obtained without ever needing to visit a physical bank branch in person. To viewers, receiving money from overseas clients off platform is another area where the system shines. The platform supports incoming international payments in currencies like US dollar and euro for freelancers, online sellers, and remote teams. This centralizes your revenue streams into one manageable account. It helps you avoid the confusion and high fees that often come with managing multiple payment processes. So next amazing feature that I want to explain is a referral program. There is also a referral system system built into platform for users who want to share it with others. You can generate a unique invitation code and share it with your network. Someone new signs up using your specific code and complete the required actions or meets the platform conditions, you may become eligible to receive rewards. The exact detail of the rewards depend on the current terms of the Referral program. So here you can see, till now it is offering up to 90% commission rebate, but subject to the project details. And another amazing feature is bank to card. The payment and the card associated with the platform is truly bridges the gap between digital balances and the everyday life. This card allows you to spend your crypto or fiat holding at a million of locations worldwide wherever major card networks are accepted. PinkWallet is built with the specific goal of narrowing the distance between the world of cryptocurrency and the established system of traditional finance and banking. By pulling together banking services, stock market access, and crypto managing into one organized ecosystem, it offers a more streamlined and less fragmented experience. If your financial life involves moving money across borders or juggling both digital assets and regular cash, this kind of unified setup can save you a significant amount of time and mental energy. If this breakdown gave you a clear picture of how the platform operates, please take a moment to hit that like button and consider sharing this video with someone who might find it helpful. Thank you for spending your time with me today. I will see you in the next video.